Where does he live?
He lives anywhere. He lives anywhere. He just walks around at night.
Does he try to break into houses?
No,
No. What does he do? Why does he walk around?
because he needs to at night.
Oh. Is he looking for something?
He's looking for bugs to eat.
Bugs to eat? Wow.
That's why he's looking for.
So is he a mean cat or a nice cat?
He's a mean cat, and he doesn't like other cats.
Oh. What if Sophia runs into him at night?
Then he was like,
And she'll be so scared.
yeah, but we needed to save her.
Yeah, or Simba. Simba could save her, right?
Right, because he's a big boy.
Mm-hmm.
But what about Chloe?
She's a scaredy cat.
She's not a scaredy cat.
I thought she was a scaredy cat.
She's not a scaredy cat.